Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Petrol prices are set to ease tomorrow. Petrojam today announced it will cut the price of a litre of gasoline by 27 cents. The price of a litre of regular diesel, however, increases by 86 cents, while low sulfur diesel is up 84 cents. Kerosene will increase by 86 cents. Propane is, however, going down by 79 cents, while butane falls by 77 cents. Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw says the government will be moving to unleash the potential of the agriculture sector. Speaking at the launch of Farmers Month today, Mr. Shaw said his focus will be on putting idle lands into production.
And Clarendon alone, lands held by the sugar company holdings are about 18,000 hectares. That's about over 30,000 acres, just by the sugar company. Of that, right now in production is about maybe 2,500, 3,000 hectares out of the 18,000.
Mr. Shaw added that he will also be looking to rebuild sectors.
It hurts in my heart to see that major sectors such as coffee, cocoa, coconut, these are all growth industries globally. And in Jamaica, they are declining industries. What's wrong with we?
Cable and Wireless has announced new rates for its business customers. The telecoms company said it will hike the rates for businesses using its landline and internet, as well as hotel basic packages. The new rates, which will take effect on May 1, will see mostly increases of more than 10%. To currency trading now, as the US dollar traded at $125.56 at the end of today's session. The Canadian dollar was being sold for $97.79. The pound sterling is costing $176.06, while the euro is going for $156.59. Now, the JSE index lost 383 points today, while the junior market index gained 10. The winners today included AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Cream, Carreras, Express Catering, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Financial, Pan Jam, and Wisynco Group. Now, on the losing end were Berger Paints, G West Corporation, Kingston Wharves, Mayberry Investments, Radio Jamaica, and VM Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.